Welcome back to Hackathon Entertainment TV. I'm Mr. Hackathon. I bring you the story behind every hack. What I do occasionally is create tutorials to help you create amazing projects in your next hackathon. What we're going to do today is look over Glide. There are other videos on the channel for you to reference about Glide, but what specifically we're going to do today is go over how to create a homepage in Glide. To give you a good example, this is what a homepage in Glide will look like. And this doesn't happen organically in Glide. You have to make some customizations and some adjustments. And that is what we're going to do. We're almost going to replicate this. And to do that, I am going to initiate a new app. So I'm going to log in. Go to new app from Google Sheets. And I want to initiate a new app. I called it Homepage Template. You're about to send one item to, yeah, I guess. And to give you a look at the Google Sheets setup, what we have is we have the first page that's going to be our home page. It's almost a blank page. I have one column and one row. Well, I have two rows and one column. And then I have my content on other pages. So I have a videos tab with all these videos. I have a playlist tab, and these don't matter as much, but I do want these just to demonstrate what it looks like when we're customizing. So we jump back to Glide. And as you can see, what it's done is pulled in this first, and I'll get rid of this, and it's pulled in this first page, the home page, right here. And what we're going to do, we're actually going to remove that. And now it's completely blank. What I do want to do is change the tab icon. And I'm just going to change it to this house. I think I'm going to remove these other ones just for now. And if you only have one tab, it just eliminates that one tab because there's no point of having it there. And so what we want to do is to begin to customize our home tab. And as you can see, there is, oh, wrong tab. There's no data here. So it allows us for easy customization. What you do want, you want the details style, and you want to go home or click add, and we want to add text. And I am going to say, I'm going to just create a Hello World app. And I'm going to change the text to custom. And I'm going to say hello. I'm going to say homepage template. So we have our title. And what I might want to do is create a space. So I'm going to use a separator. I am going to hide the divider and I'm going to make the space large. So when I add, if we just add some text here, you can see it has a whole huge space. It has a whole big gap. And so what we want to do is we're going to add, you can see the separator gap. We're going to add some kind of subtitle. Maybe we're going to lift it here and we're going to add a subtitle. We're going to center it and we're going to say something along the lines of, this is your customizable home page. Slide home, or home screen. Let's say home screen. And let's change this to home screen template. Yes, we have to make this a little bit smaller to fit. This is your customizable whole screen. This is your customizable glide home screen. And we have a separator, but what we want to do now is to begin to add a list. So we want to have, if we go to this, we want something like this right here, where you have videos, you have check out our amazing videos, and you have this list. And so the way I did that was I added another title, and it says, it's another custom title that says videos. And I changed this to maybe that size. And now what we also have to do is we have to create relational lists. So these in Glide, if I go here in Glide, I have relational lists. So if I go to videos, I believe, let's see, playlist. Or maybe not. Yeah, I don't have no relational list, so I don't think we need it. What I do need to do is add this plus sign, and I need to go to lists. And the list we want to change it to cards. We want to change the source to videos. And now we want to map the data. So map image to image, map the header to title, I guess. Map the title, or maybe map the details to description, maybe. And remove the header and actually put that as title. And what I want to do next is to change the format of this. So right now it's vertical, and I want to make this horizontal. So I'm not going to do half size for now. I am going to change this here, orientation, horizontal. And what I do like to do sharp corners, and I also do like to do the vertical side, but now it's way too big, so I'm going to do half size. And there we have the kind of setup. So what I want to do next is change this title to something like check out our amazing videos. I check out our amazing videos, and what I actually do right now it's listing all the videos, but I don't want to do that. I just want to list a certain amount. So what I'm going to do is go back to inline list videos, and I'm going to scroll down, and I don't want 12 to be shown. I only want, let's say, 4 to be shown. So now it only lists 4. If you click see all, it takes you to be able to see all the videos. And you can change the filter and stuff like that on this, but we're just focusing on the home screen for this particular tutorial. And what we may want to do next is create another separator. This time I think I'm going to do a medium. Let's see. Yeah, medium should be good. And I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to scroll down. I'm actually going to change the source to article. And I'm going to say, check out our amazing articles. And I'm going to create another title. And it's going to say articles. I even remove this separator or make it small maybe. And I'm actually going to make this one smaller. So you can see videos, articles, and that's clearly spelled wrong. In videos, we have articles. Obviously, when I click on that, I can see the articles. What we may want to do is we may want to add another separator. And we may want to have something that is, let's say, let's see what else we can add. Maybe I want something that says upgrade. So maybe it's a buy button. So I'm not going to connect all Stripe and everything, but I'm going to say something along the lines of title. I want to say something along the lines of subscribe to upgrade. And I'm going to add a title, maybe another title, and I'm going to say something along the lines of subscribe below for more great content. Or maybe upgrade below for more great content. Last thing we may want to do is I may want to, and at this point, I think you get the point. You can just keep adding stuff to your homepage as you see fit. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add an image. I'm going to change the image to this size. Let's see. We're going to say the image is from URL. We are going to just grab the, let's see. We're just going to grab the same image we've been using. And I put the URL right here, and it grabs our image. Maybe I want to put another separator and just give it more space. And maybe what I want to do right at the bottom is put my signature. And I'm going to copy this text, scroll down, and I'm going to say made with Mr. So we're going to say made with power by Mr. Hackathon. And this is it. This is our home screen. So now maybe what we want to do, if we just add this, you can see we have a video screen, and we're not going to make adjustments to this video screen because that's not the purpose of this tutorial. But we change the way that looks. We can see we have the home screen. The first screen they come on, it may have some featured videos, featured articles. It allows them to upgrade to subscribe, and maybe if they upgrade, it unlocks some more tabs and some more content. That is how you make a home screen in Glide. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Let me know what you would like to see. Let me know what kind of tutorials you would like with Glide. I am trying to break it down to make it as simple as possible to do whatever you want to do with it. Let me know. Shoot me a DM. Let me know in the comments. Hit me up on Twitter. I'll be doing more content like this, breaking down smaller components of Glide and other apps and no-code tools.